Hey, it's Kimbles.
Crazy Dave! We're here, we're back.
And we've got nothing to say.
Nothing at all.
We're going to vlog about nothing because there's nothing to say.
Kimbles has been in a very lackluster mood today. She's just got no ideas. Have you?
No, absolutely no
So
idea.
and I have no idea what I want to talk about. So we're just here and we're going to talk anyway about nothing. Because nothing is important.
Nothing is very important.
Got work tomorrow? That's exciting, yeah. Work.
Yay,
Whew.
work.
Yeah.
Work is
Yeah.
fun.
So hear that lacklusterness in her voice. Like there's no energy. Now, so let's just say something of interest to them out there. I'm waiting. So then, is that it?
That's it. That's it. That's all I got. That's all I've got.
No, there's got to be more than that. There has to be more. What has happened during the week that has been at least a little exciting to you? You can see we're inside. That's exciting.
Well, you're inside today.
You know why? Because it's so late. Because we've been sitting around for hours trying to figure out what to say, and it got so dark. We couldn't do another dark side of the vlog, so it's now inside time. Got any? What are they called? Yell outs, shout outs, shout!
Shout-outs. Oh, Mr. Gunter Grass again. Because he's just wonderful, sending messages.
He loves Kim.
Wanting to be our love child.
Our love
Or
child.
wishing he was.
Imagine
if
what he
we had
looks
a
like.
child,
Imagine what he looked like.
Oh,
If it was our love child.
be a very strange mixture.
He would be. Yeah.
Yes, yes. There will be no love child.
No, there
from
is no love
Kimbles
child.
and Crazy Dave.
No, we don't.
No.
Do that.
No.
Anyway.
Yes, anyway, so what else has happened? What happened in your week this week that was exciting?
Oh, I got a huge promotion. Huge promotion. At work.
Excellent, excellent.
Which I can't talk about, as you know, top secret, but I'm up there with the big boys.
Excellent, excellent.
Big boys.
Yeah.
And you? Did you get a promotion?
I didn't, but I got a new job.
She got a new job?
I started a new
I think that's why she's a bit lackluster.
Yeah, started a new job. Have to start at 8 o'clock in the morning. It's ridiculous.
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock. It's a bit too early for Kimbles.
So, what are you going to do tonight? So we're tonight.
Tonight, I'm off to a rave actually.
Oh,
Tonight.
really?
Yes.
Whereabouts would that be?
Oh, out the back of Bellingen somewhere. Yep.
Yeah, they're always
Bellingen.
good fun. Yeah. Bello.
Yep, Bellingen rave party. So that should be good. Yep. Poppy partying all night and.
How will you keep going all night?
Oh, I don't know. Put lots of Red Bull, lots
Red
of
Bull.
Coke. Have a cup of coffee before I go.
She's a real party animal, isn't she? Party animal.
And I'm gonna see if I can pull an all-nighter and just then go to work
And
at 8.
rock up straight at work. Yeah. That's
Yeah.
legendary.
I think so. Yeah,
Yeah.
I think it should be good. So what are you up to tonight?
Tonight, I'm just going to watch a bit of telly.
That's a bit boring.
No. That's what I do on Sunday nights. It's telly, it's the job. You've got to be on the ball.
Oh, right.
So I'm a coiled spring at work. So you have to be just ready to unspring at the slightest crisis. And there's plenty of crises. So I have to be fresh and alert. The country depends on people like me. Which is pretty scary, really.
That is pretty scary, that's right. Yeah. Just imagine a whole lot of crazy days out there saving the country.
Oh, yeah.
Hey! Because we've got nothing to say, we've decided we're going to sing.
Sing!
So
we're going to sing! We're going to sing! We're going to sing!
Woo!
There he was, he just walking down the street singing, dum diddy dum, clapping her fingers and shuffling her feet, singing, diddy dum diddy dum. Look good, looked good, looked fine, looked good, she looked fine, then I nearly lost my mind. Oh, is there anybody out there feeling so good? Don't hold back. Is there anybody out there feeling so good? Oh, come on, let me know. Should I stay or should I go? Should I stay or should I go now? Should I stay or should I go now? If I go, there will be trouble. And if I stay, it will be double. So come on, let me know.